Want to level up your podcast game and make your show really stand out? First, hop onto Buzzsprout and log into your account, then navigate to the My Website section on your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on Domain Settings. You should see an area dedicated to domains. At first, your website will use your Buzzsprout provide domain name, something like your podcast's Buzzsprout, but we're moving beyond that. Now, you'll need to input your custom domain name. Select the domain provider that you originally purchased your website domain from, then follow the prompts that follow on the Buzzsprout site. Buzzsprout provides comprehensive guidance here for all the major domain providers. Here's where the touchy stuff comes in. You'll need to go to your domain provider's site, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, and find your DNS settings. You may have to update your records, pointing them towards Buzzsprout's provided IP address. It is easy to edit these settings on your provided domain site, so don't worry about the technical jargon here. After setting up the records, it can take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. Once complete, you'll see a green checkmark in Buzzsprout, indicating that everything is set up correctly and your custom domain is ready to roll. And boom, you've got your own personalized domain for your podcast. Now your potential listeners will know where to find you. This improved brand recognition will make your show look professional, resulting in enhanced discoverability for your podcast and more listeners tuning in. That's it. Go forth and conquer.